All right, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right? How was your weekend? And I hope you had a nice time with your family. Okay, this is a new week, this is a new month, and this is a new period of time to get better in your trading career. And before we start, I would like to tell you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then you also we have a Telegram channel where we post our work, right, which is our setup and our flashcard chart markups. So you will do well to also join that Telegram channel and study everything that we have made available on that page for your growth in this um, FX career. Then also we have an Instagram page, so you do well also to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Right, this week just as you all know that is our culture to always look into DXY, right, which is dollar index, right, for us to know what the market will give to us for the course. I mean during the course of this week, and for us to leverage on such and have a good profit as we have always had. Okay, right. This week, right, I've been saying it for the past 1 month, right, that as you can see, this gave us a reversal pattern. This is DXY, right? It gave us a reversal pattern of 1, 2, 3, which is actually showing that this price is having some kind of weakness to continue going down, right? Which implies that the market should reverse. And then last 2 weeks, I said it that we are expecting this market, if we have a bullish run, then I will be expecting probably a pullback for us to have a trade. Now, looking at this, where I will really be looking for a trade will be either this particular spot, right? I will be expecting market to pull back to this zone or this kink, right? This is where I will much more be interested in to buy this pair. Then my target will be this area. This will be my target. This is daily time frame anyway. Then also this particular block here will be where I will be targeting for this trade. Now, looking at 4 hour time frame, as we can see, market has already pulled back into this zone. And what I will be expecting is that this market will come back to take out this weekly low, last week low. That shows we might be saying something like uh, accumulation when the market open, right? Seeing manipulation, then we see distribution to take out this high. Most likely, that is what I will be expecting on dollar index. So I will be expecting a um a strength in dollar index, right? Just looking at this zone, right? I will be expecting that market to really pull back to that zone, then for me to have a good trade from that. Now I'm refining this to have a good spot, as you can see. Um, let's get a good rejection zone for the trade. Right. So going back to the 4 hour time frame, right? I want market to come back. Right, market might likely continue to go up in this manner. Then looking at the 4 hour time frame, if the market fail this zone to really continue to go up, then I will be looking at this particular week here or this particular OB here, right? That is what I will really be looking at, right? For market to come to this particular zone here. Right, so we have 3 zones that we're expecting this market to come back to. And don't forget what I said, I will be expecting a kind of accumulation, right? Then the market should manipulate to the downside, then actually give us a distribution, right? That's for dollar index, and that is really what I'm saying now. I'm going to be expecting. But if this market give us another direction during the course of the week, then we have to change our direction also. So with this information, we would like to see Euro USD, right? Let's see what Euro USD have to say to us, right? This is daily time frame, and as we all know that we're expecting it to go to, we're expecting a strength in dollar index. That shows we'll be expecting a bearish Euro USD, and as you can see, this has given us a kind of a reversal pattern. Also, we're just expecting a kind of retracement to the upside, then this pair to continue to go down. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame, we have already seen some kind of um, liquidity around here. Then if possible, if this market will just retrace up and fall, right? That is okay. But another thing that I'll be expecting is that this Thursday high should be taken. All right, Thursday high should be taken. Then market should take out this high. Then for that is the most likely thing I will be expecting. Then this will now give me the information that I would love to see based on my reversal pattern. All right, I will try to mark that right one, two, then probably the third one might actually give us stuff there. Then this also can actually be called the third zone. Then this particular zone might be called the fourth one. Probably we expect price to come back here and fall, or likely price come back to this zone, all right, and fall. So that is more the stuff I'll be looking forward to see on dollar index. I mean on Euro USD. Then the next pair we're going to look at is USDCHF. Right, on USDCHF, this is 1 hour time frame. All right, and looking at the daily time frame. All right, looking at the daily time frame, we can see it's actually very similar to the dollar index that we have seen, right? And then the 4 hour time frame, right? Looking at the 4 hour time frame, so I will be expecting this low, right, if possible, to be taken out, right? I will be expecting that low to be taken out. Then I want price to really come back to this zone, right? That shows this weekly low will be taken out. Then price will come back to this, then go higher. Then this will be the possible targets that we'll be looking out for around that zone. I will be looking out for on this pair. And if possible, market might come to this zone, but this is the first zone that we'll be looking out for first. Then this particular zone also as the second, right? So the next pair we're going to look at is GBP USD. For GBP USD, looking at the daily time frame also, right? The daily time frame, right? This particular zone, based on the information that I have here, it is possible that this high will be taken out, right? Possible. I want to show you some different possibilities that I might have. Then price come to this gap, right? Then get take out this high, market take out, market get to this zone, then drop. So this will be the likely targets that we are expecting. Then probably if price get to this zone, then we might see some kind of a buying opportunity from there, right? So that is the first thing I can see there on the daily time frame. Then on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that there are some liquidities there. So it's possible, right, for us to see this price coming to this zone, right, coming to this, take out this high and probably get rejected here. Then we see this price coming down. So most of that is actually what I would like to see on this pair. But if otherwise stated, then we are going to know during the course of the week. I mean, during the week where this is going to be presented to us for us to really follow it. Right. So when the market open, that is what I want to see. Right. And there's a probability that market also gets this zone, right, and continue to go down. And the reason for that on the 1 hour time frame, right, we have this reversal pattern that has actually displayed itself to us. We have impulsive move up, impulsive move down. Then we have market actually coming back in a compressed manner into this zone. So which might make this particular pair to go down from that zone, as we can see that. Then there's also chances that this eye might be raided. So, but that is really what I want to see. Now, the next pair we're going to look at is EURJPY. All right, for EURJPY, looking at the daily time frame. All right, looking at the daily time frame of EURJPY. Right, what are we really expecting on this pair? Right, but most likely this pair has not given us a good structure to really behold here. But let's see for our time frame. But all what I can see is actually bearish on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see some kind of a fractal structure here. Then with an impulsive move. So this might likely push this price to this gap. All right, price might likely get there, then continue to sell down, right? And looking at the 1 hour time frame, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. What is the probability of the stuff we might likely see? So there's high chances that price will get to this zone, right? Price might retrace to this zone, then continue to sell down, right? As you can see the structure, we have the higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So market might come to this zone, right? If there is an entry pattern, then we might actually sell it down. So that is what I will be expecting there. Then on CADJPY, looking at the daily time frame, right, on CADJPY, this particular zone might likely serve as what might push this price higher. But anyway, we should look at the pressure that we have in this zone. Actually, if this low is broken, that will give me more say for a bearish structure on this particular pair. But from now, this is yet to be revealed to us. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, looking at the 4 hour time frame, there is a probability that this particular zone, right, this particular, even though it has already worked, right, might actually continue to work out. As you can see, price pull back there, and this is really what pushed this price down, right? And what we might likely see in here is that this pricing that we see here, right, will push this price up and might likely serve as what we create a liquidity gap possible. This high might be taken, and if that did not happen, then this particular zone will be where we'll be expecting price to come back to compressed manner into this zone. Then we might see it coming downward. So that is what I would like to see on CADJPY. Then on gold, right, on gold daily time frame, for gold, right, daily time frame for gold, we can see that this price has actually consolidated for this period of this month, right. Then we have it taking out this liquidity, right? Taking out liquidity here, right? And what are we expecting to do is that this price, we are expecting some kind of bullish run, then this price should come up to take out this liquidity. That should be expecting some kind of a buying opportunities from there. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame, there's nothing that is actually very good for us to buy this pair, or else if you'll be looking for, if we will be going to be looking for a selling opportunity. But for now, I can't really see anything on the 4 hour time frame. Probably during the course of the week, this will give us a good print. Then on the 1 hour time frame, this particular zone, right, might likely be where we'll be expecting some kind of a trade from. Then let's see 30 minutes time frame, probably 15 minutes time frame, probably 15 minutes time frame, right, probably 5 minutes time frame, right. On the 5 minutes time frame, right, possible zone is this particular area. Then going back to the 1 hour time frame, I want this price to drop as far as this area, right. Then you may actually see it going higher from there, just like what we have seen, right. Let me see the 4 hour time frame again, right. On the 4 hour time frame, we want to look for a buying opportunity here. This high should be rated. Then probably if price can get to this area, right, we might see a selling opportunity there, if at all, or this particular area. But I want to see a buying opportunity here, price get to this zone, or at all this particular zone. But based on what I can see here, right, I want this eye to be taken out, if at all, right, this eye to be taken out. Then probably this eye, then price should get to this area before we see more rejection. That is for gold. Then let's see NASDAQ. Right, for NASDAQ, right, we can see that price was really consolidating around this area, and not so clear price action. Then, well, let's go to 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, right, 4 hour time frame, this particular zone might serve as a rejection zone that might likely push this price higher, right? Push this price higher, then we might actually see some kind of higher zone there. Then price might have the opportunity to take out this high, then get rejected at this gap. So that is what I'll be expecting. Then lastly, USD30, for USD30, right, and on the daily time frame also, we can see that price was really consolidating around this area. Price was not really impulsive going down. Then on the 4 hour time frame, right, we can see a good zone there. So what I will really be expecting is that this particular low should be taken out, if possible. That this low is taken out, then we might see some kind of more uptrend on this. But let's see 30 minutes time frame if we can see much more zone. Yeah, on 30 minutes time frame, right, this particular zone, right, price has already got rejected off there. And 15 minutes time frame, let's see if I can get, right, probably when price get to this zone, right, this particular zone, like we might actually see price coming back here and going higher. So guys, this is what I have for you this week, right. All right, I've given you what I think will happen next week, and you know that these are not absolute, right. Yeah, so this implies that during the course of the week, right, might actually see some gap some kind of fluctuation in price that might likely make all this analysis to be invalid. So which implies that we're going to have a new set of analysis which we might not post on the YouTube channel. All right. Thank you guys for joining in, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, right? And also join our Telegram channel where we have much more chart work to teach and to present to you. All right, until next time, have a good trading week and God bless you. Bye bye.